This session covers the topic development of hybrid seeds. Since the practice of agriculture began 8 to 10,000 years ago, farmers have been altering the genetic makeup of the crops they grow. Early farmers selected the best looking plants and seeds and saved them to plant for the next season. Then, once the science of genetics became better understood, plant breeders used what they knew about the genes of a plant to select for specific desirable traits to develop improved varieties. The selection for features such as faster growth, higher yields, pest and disease resistance, larger seeds or sweeter fruits has dramatically changed domesticated plant species compared to their wild relatives. Conventional plant breeding has been going on for hundreds of years and is still commonly used today. Early farmers discovered that some crop plants could be artificially mated or cross planted to increase yields. Desirable characteristics from different parent plants could also be combined in the offspring. When the science of plant breeding was further developed in the 20th century, plant breeders understood better how to select superior plants and breed them to create new and improved varieties of different crops. New and improved varieties can be easily produced from hybrid seeds. This has dramatically increased the productivity and quality of the plants we grow for food, feed, and fiber. Plants grown from hybrid seeds are bigger, stronger, and more vigorous than either of the parent plants. Now let's study in detail hybrid seed production. In agriculture and gardening, hybrid seed is a seed produced by cross-pollinated plants. This takes place in angiosperms, the flower-bearing plants. Hybrid seed production is predominant in agriculture and home gardening. It is one of the main contributors to the dramatic increase in agricultural output. Hybrids result from the deliberate crossing of two different parent varieties from the same species. Pollen from male parent will pollinate, fertilize and set seeds in the female parent to produce F1 hybrid seeds. F1 refers to the first generation of offspring from these two distinct parent varieties. If you plant seed say from an F1 hybrid variety, you will not get the same result as the parent plant. Commercial hybrid seed production demands crossing technique which is easy and also economic to maintain parental lines. Only few crossing mechanisms have been adopted for commercial hybrid seed production. They are hand emasculation and pollination, self-income